Payment method declined App Store. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix if the payment method is declined on App Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix if the payment method is basically declined on the App Store, all it is saying is that the payment method is issuing. So which means that in this case the issue is not with your mobile phone but with the payment method. So open up settings, tap your Apple ID from the top, go to payment and shipping. Then once you go to payment and shipping over here, just go ahead and then check if all of your payment details are working just fine, because the issue sometimes could be with your payment method and not with other details. Just try changing your payment method and that should help you solve the problem. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then solve payment method declined on App Store. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.